welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a styling video featuring this straight, no it's not straight actually, it's wavy, but I straightened it, this wavy unit from Dola hair. This is the company, this is what their box looks like. This is actually the first time I've tried hair from them, and I must say I'm definitely going to be using them again because this hair is bomb. I've been wanting a Naomi wig because I haven't had a Naomi wig for the longest time. I've been wanting like a straight, long, bone straight middle part wig for the longest time, and this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how the hair came, I'm gonna show you how I styled it, and I'm gonna show you how I got it to this lovely silky texture from a wavy texture. I'm also gonna leave the link below for the exact wig that I'm wearing right now. How cute is this? It says hello gorgeous on the box. That's so cute. And the wig comes in this lovely pink bag, and then you also get these clips. These are like crocodile clips. I've actually been wanting these for the longest time. They're really good with like styling hair, especially natural hair, so this is definitely going to come in handy. And then you also get this brush with the comb on the end, and then the edge control side on the other end as well. So it actually comes with 2 of the crocodile clips. And what's also really helpful in the bag is that it shows you how HD your lace is. So this lace is HD. It kind of shows you what the difference is between normal lace and HD lace. So right now I have the HD lace on and it looks flawless. It literally melts into my skin. I absolutely love it. But the HD lace is definitely a lot more advanced than the normal lace, and it just takes your wig level up a notch. So I would definitely recommend getting HD lace if you can. But, oh yeah, one more thing, it does come with a wig cap, which is very standard, but you do need one. And this is just their little card that kind of tells you the details of your hair. So it says Dola hair, shake up your style. Okay, this wig I've got on is 24 inches, so it's super duper long, which I absolutely love. You guys know I love my long units. So it's 24 inches and it's 150 density. Next time I get a wig from them, I'm definitely gonna up the density because I do feel that it's a little bit thin. I was actually planning on cutting the lace, no, not cutting the lace, cutting the hair into like a fringe and then cutting this a little bit shorter. But after I cut the lace, I felt like I really liked how it looked, so I'm not gonna be doing that anymore. The cap size is medium, but like I said, I'll have all the info that you need to know about this hair in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I would definitely be doing another video with this company because the hair is so bomb. But yeah, stay tuned for the next part of the video that's going to basically show you how I got to this stage. See ya! So starting off with the little unboxing, this is what the box looks like when you get your wig. I'm going to show you what the hair looks like once it's literally fresh from the box. So it comes in this little hairnet and the hair comes wavy. So really nice texture, but I just really like my hair straight, so I preferred the straight style on myself. This is what the construction of the wig looks like. It's really nice and well put together. You've got a few combs on the side, you've got an elastic band, and you've also got your HD lace with different type of lace in the middle as well. As you guys can see, the knots were a little bit too thick for my liking, so I decided to go ahead and bleach them a little bit. So I'm using 40 volume developer and some rapid blue bleach, and I put the bleach powder in a bowl and the 40 volume developer in a bowl and mix it together until I got a really nice thick paste. And then I used that thick paste and put it on the little portion of the HD lace where you can see the knots. So you don't want it to be too runny where it can obviously run through the hair and bleach the hair. You just want it to be the right consistency for it to just bleach those knots alone. So I placed that all over the lace portion of the hair, left it for about 20 minutes, and then washed it off, and it gave me a really nice seamless bleach. The hair took the bleach really well, so I was happy about that. So next we're going to move on to the installation process. So here I am just being very into myself. I was just feeling myself that day. I'm going to put on the wig after I finish dancing. So I'm going to start off by putting my edge control on. This one is the olive oil edge control. I just basically put that all over my edges and brushed my edges back just to get them out the way, ready for my wig to be put on my head. I just brushed it using the little brush that you get with it. This is actually from another company, but yeah, you get the same kind of brush, just a different color. I just brushed it away using that, and I put my wig cap over the top and just slid it back a little bit so my edges are completely out the way and they're not like, you know, annoying. So next I'm going to get the wig, which is so sleek and so freshly straightened. I did straighten it off my wig head. I prefer doing this rather than doing it on my own head, and then I kind of go over the top of it with my straighteners on my head. So I put the adjustable straps to be really tight, you know, nice and snug for my head, and then I kind of adjusted the wig on my head, kind of see how it fits. and play around with it for a little bit and then move on to styling. So I do further go on to straighten the hair whilst it's on my head, but for the most part I like to straighten it on a wig head because I just feel like it's a lot easier to see what you're doing that way. Here I'm just taking my olive oil heat serum. This is going to add a nice luster and shine to my hair. I love doing this for my parting area of the wig. It gives me a really nice lovely shine and makes the hair look really healthy and sleek. Then I get my Tresemme hairspray and I kind of spray that over the top, and that kind of gives it a really good hold without it being crunchy or leaving any like horrible marks. The two together goes so well. So here I'm just using my hot comb just to flatten that out, and because I've used that hairspray, it's going to give it that hold that I need, and because I've used that serum, it's going to give it a lovely shine, which is also really good. So I'm just going to keep going over that to my liking until I kind of get the flatness that I'm looking for. But because my braids are already quite flat and the wig is quite cooperative, I didn't have any issues with this whatsoever. So yeah, here I'm getting my Babyliss wide plate straighteners, and I'm just going to straighten the mug out of my hair again because I feel like it's not bone straight. It's a nice sleek straight, but I want it to be like, you know, bone straight. So I'm just gonna do loads of passes randomly through my hair wherever I see fit, and just carry on doing that until I'm pleased with the outcome of the unit. But yeah, so far so good. I really like this hair. It is absolutely phenomenal. I really like the texture, I like the flow, I like the sheen, I like everything. The only thing I would say is that I just wish it was a little bit fuller. This is 150 density, I believe. I wish I got 180 instead, but definitely would up the density if you want more of a fuller look. If you prefer the natural look, then 150 should be fine for you. Another thing that I didn't necessarily like about the wig was when I was straightening it, I did find like little like balls of like material. I'm not sure what it was, but like material and like just random like woolly balls that kind of hindered the straightening process. But yeah, other than that, the hair is really nice, really sleek, quite healthy. As long as you look after it, there should be no issues. So this is what the hair looks like after straightened. It literally is so free and so flowy. I absolutely love it. The hair moves freely, no stiff wear. So here I'm just going to cut off the lace. I'm actually not very good at cutting lace, but this lace was actually pretty easy to cut. Like I said, this is the HD lace, so it literally melted into my skin really well. As you guys can see, I was having a whale of a time, and I was enjoying the fact that everything was coming out to my liking. So yeah, I'm just going to use a little pair of scissors, and like this is like I think it's like an eyebrow shaver brush thing, and I just used that to cut the lace. It just made it a lot easier. Then I used my Fenty bronzer to help that blend into my skin just a tiny bit more. Didn't really need it, but if you want to go that extra mile to make your lace look really realistic, then why not? And then yeah, I think I went through the hair just a few more times with the hot comb and the straighteners, and that was it. Literally very quick and easy, and very easy to work with. So yeah, this is just me showing you how thin the hair is. Like I said, next time I'll just definitely go for maybe a 200 density or 180 density, as I feel like 150 is too little for myself. But yeah, this is the flow of the hair. This is how it looks when everything is done. 1000% recommend. It's so nice, and you can definitely curl it and do different styles with it as well. I'm gonna give you an up close look at the lace. Really nice and sleek, and matches my skin color really well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for my outro. So guys, that is it. That's how I got my hair like this. Let me know your thoughts down below. Would you be buying from this company? The only thing I'll say that I didn't necessarily like is the density, but like I said, next time I'll just up the density, because obviously you have a choice to do that. Not all their wigs come this thin. You can up the density. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The lace is on point. The texture of the hair is on point. The silkiness is on point. Everything is on point, honey. Like, I just absolutely love this hair, and I will most definitely recommend it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and please look out for more, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.